Have you ever seen channels like Rico Animation and PieMations? They upload simple stickman animation videos, yet many of their videos have gained millions of views, with some even crossing 100 to 200 million views. At first glance, these animations look very simple, but creating them the traditional way takes a lot of time, skill, and animation experience. But what if you could create the same style of videos almost entirely with AI? In this video, I'll show you a complete AI workflow that generates the script, images, animations, voiceovers, and final edit, allowing you to create these viral stickman animation videos in as little as 10 to 20 minutes, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact workflow I use, from the idea all the way to the final export. So stick around because I'm not skipping a single step. Alright, step 1. We need an idea. Open up ChatGPT and just ask it to brainstorm for you. Something as simple as, write 15 different topic ideas for my stickman animation video, and hit enter. Within a few seconds, you'll have a full list of creative, engaging ideas sitting in front of you. Go through them and pick whichever one clicks with you. Now that we've got our topic, it's time to turn that into an actual script. I've already built a master prompt specifically for stickman animation videos, so all you have to do is copy that prompt, open a fresh ChatGPT chat, and paste it in. Swap out the topic placeholder with the idea you just picked, then choose how long you want the video to be. For this example, we're keeping it short, around 40 seconds, so we'll set the scene count somewhere between 7 and 10. Hit generate, and ChatGPT does something pretty wild here. It hands you the entire animation on a plate. A scene-by-scene breakdown, image prompts for every single scene, motion prompts to animate each one, and a full voiceover script. Everything you need in one place. With the script done, now we bring it to life visually. Grab the image prompt for scene 1, open up Gemini, switch over to Create Image, and upload your character reference image. And here's why that matters. Inside our master prompt, we specifically told ChatGPT to lock every single scene to that same character reference. That's the difference between an amateur AI video and one that actually looks professional. Because without that, the AI will happily give you a completely different looking stickman in every scene. With the reference locked in, only the pose, the expression, the action, and the background change. The character itself stays consistent from start to finish. Paste in your scene 1 prompt, generate, and repeat that same process for every remaining scene. Within a few minutes, you'll have every image for your entire video ready to go. Now you might be wondering, where do these stickman characters actually come from? Honestly, it's the easiest part. Just head to Google, search stickman figures, stick figures, or stickman characters, and switch over to the Images tab. You'll find hundreds of designs sitting right there. Pick whichever one you like, download it, and that becomes your character reference. Then it's the same loop. Back to Gemini, create image, upload that reference, paste your scene prompt, generate. Repeat for every scene until the full set of images is done. Take a minute here, scroll through them, and make sure you're actually happy with how they look before moving forward, because this is your foundation. Time to animate. Go back to your script, grab the motion prompt for scene 1, open Google Flow, upload the matching scene 1 image, and paste that motion prompt into the box. Before you hit generate, set your video duration and aspect ratio. Then generate, and Google Flow takes that still image and turns it into a smooth, moving clip based on exactly what the motion prompt describes. Run through this same process for every scene until all your clips are animated. This is honestly the step that makes the whole thing feel real. So once you're done, watch them back and make sure the motion actually matches what you pictured. Next up, voiceover. Copy the full voiceover script ChatGPT generated for you and head over to Google AI Studio. Go into the voice generation section, open speaker settings, and pick an AI voice that actually fits the tone of your video. Paste in your voiceover script, hit run, and within moments, you've got a clean AI voiceover ready to download. Grab that audio file along with all your animated clips and save everything to your computer. Last step, putting it all together. I'm using CapCut for this, but honestly, any editor works fine. Import your animated clips and your voiceover onto the timeline. Line up the scenes in order, then trim and adjust each clip so the timing matches your voiceover perfectly. Once everything's synced up, export it, and that's genuinely it. You've just made a full stickman animation video using nothing but AI.
Every day, this boy loved playing video games, but today, something strange was about to happen. Suddenly, the game screen started glowing. Before he could react, he was pulled inside the game. When he opened his eyes, he was inside the game world. Everything looked familiar, but he was completely trapped. To escape, he had to complete the game challenges. He stayed calm and used his brain to find the way forward. After many challenges, he found the final key. The exit door was finally opening. The boy finally found a way out. He returned home safely, but he learned something important. Games are fun, but we should always
The whole
control our
process
time.
takes maybe 10
Technology
to
should
20
be a
minutes
tool,
start to
not
finish.
something that controls us.
These videos are getting massive views right now across YouTube and Shorts, exactly like the examples I showed you earlier. So if this workflow was helpful, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and I'll catch you in the next one.